Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video we're going to go through setting up and using the dual SIM or eSIM functionality on your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So as actually we are gonna need this SIM card and a needle, which is the SIM ejector. So at first we need to insert the first SIM card into our phone, and as you can see the SIM card slot is over here. Let me just use my SIM card reopener. We have to just put this needle in here, push it towards the phone and remove the tray. As you can see, it's rare to have the dual SIM in newer phones like this. So actually I am very pleased so that we have it here. Now let's place our SIM card on our tray, and as you can see, if it's on the same level like now, it's ready to be placed in our phone. Be prepared to have it on the number one, SIM number 1, not SIM 2. It's because setting up the eSIM is working only when SIM is only on the SIM 1 port. As you can see now, our SIM card is almost here, almost set it up, and now we can unlock our phone. And at first, to set up the dual SIM or eSIM, we have to go straight to the settings of our phone. Wait a moment, because our phone has set up settings. Now we have to go straight to connections. Here we have to go straight to the SIM manager over here. Now as you can see, we have the SIM 1. If we have two SIMs here, we have here preferred SIMs. We can set it for calls, messages and mobile data. Apart from here, if you tap more SIM settings, here we have dual SIM always on. If you have two SIMs, either one eSIM on or two physical, we can set dual eSIM always on, dual SIM always on. Here they have SIM card security. We can lock SIM card, but I don't really think that it's useful. And apart from that, here we do have add eSIM. You can tap that to add the eSIM. You can tap scan QR code, and then you can scan the QR code. But now let me insert my second physical SIM card. Here, as you can see, we do have the second SIM card over here, and now let's place it in our phone too. It's that easy. Either scan the QR code of the second one, or just have two physical ones. It will be difficult to place it in, but don't worry, we'll go through that. Same level, in our phone. Let's place that. And now let's go back to the system settings. As you can see, if we have two SIMs, our phone asks us to set the SIM names and icons. I will leave it as it is. Next, and here we have preferred SIM for calls. Let's tap SIM 1 and tap next. Preferred SIM for messages, SIM 1 or SIM 2. Next. Preferred SIM for mobile data, SIM 1, done. As you can see, now here we do have two SIM cards, and we can activate both lines actually. To activate both SIMs, it just has to be turned on. This one and this one has to be the right, where you have this circle on the right and it's blue. It means that this is enabled. And as I said, here we have preferred SIMs. So if you had done something wrong during the setup and you want to change something, for example, now I want to set my calls to SIM 2, just tap SIM 2 and calls, or as always. It's just up to you. It's not easy actually. Here they have messages, mobile data. Now we can scroll down and I will show you this one. Here, as you can see, dual SIM always on. We can tap that, and here we have phone numbers. Now we can go back, tap lock eSIM settings, and here we have these eSIM settings like add eSIM, remove eSIM, and remove all eSIMs. SIM card security, we can lock SIM 2 and SIM 1 just for the security and safety. And if we tap on each SIM, we can tap edit name and icon, and we can tap each name and icon. For example, I want this one to be my home number, and we can edit this number to home. Done. Now we can go back, tap SIM 2, tap edit name and icon. I want this one to be, for example, to the flights or something like that, I don't know. And let me add the name flights. Done. As you can see, now we have two SIM cards that are easily named and can be switched over here. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please comment the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a like on this video. And as I said, that's it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.